Oke. Kan? Aduh, suruh dua lagi. Oh no. Deket soalnya Pak. Deket sini. Oh jauh nggak berani aku.
Wah, 你下次不要
Oh,
叫这么大声了。
Ken? Oh oke. Be careful. Oh my god.
但是舒服姐妹儿，还是舒服的啊。
Oke. Where are you from?
Malaysia,
Malaysia.
yeah, Malaysia and China.
Oh, China. Speak Melayu? No.
I'm not Melayu, I'm
Only English.
哎，还有一个小小的摄像头，哎，这个133。
Only there ya?
You know, where got the phone shop? Because I want
Phone.
buy data.
Phone shop more in Denpasar.
Sentosa.
Yes. From here maybe 20 minutes.
Oh.
Use the bag.
Oh.
When you will buy?
Because yesterday they already finished my data.
Okay. If you will buy with me, it's okay. Use the bag. You can keep my number.
The number?
Yes. If you. Okay, wait, mama. Oh. Yes. Ntar Pak, susah nurunnya soalnya orangnya dua. Oke, be careful. Oke.
To pay another?
Yes, already pay.
How much? Already pay?
Yes.
OK，给他一个小费吧，他们不收我钱。
In Denpasar, buy the phones.
啊
Denpasar.
？Bazaar?
Yes.
What is? Oh, I just want to buy phone card. Okay.
Tip. Okay, thank you.